If you've ever considered going to a rally but you're nervous, we're going to share with you the things we wish we knew before we went to our first rally.
So stick around and check out the video because you're going to want to know these tips.
Free to roll, ooh, oh, can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our Alliance paradigm, we're free in our soul.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Billy.
And I'm Sean.
And we're free to roam. So we are here at the Alliance National Rally, and we just wanted to get on here and do a quick video for you guys this week because we've been busy, but we didn't want to leave you hanging without a video. So we want to share with you some information because obviously this is our year of rallies. So we're going to a bunch of rallies this year, but we thought we would get on here and share with you things we wish we knew before going to our very first rally, because it can be pretty overwhelming at first. We went to our very first rally a year ago, right? Like a year and a half ago.
Yeah, just over a year, that first time.
And it was fun, but there are some things we wish we knew before we went to our first rally. So we're gonna break it down for you guys. We came up with a list of 9 things that we wish we knew before we went to our first rally. So we're gonna share them with you guys, and we hope that this helps you not be nervous or not be worried about going to a rally. So I think number 9 needs to be, don't be afraid to go.
Yeah, particularly even if you're going alone. Like our first rally, it worked out so that we had some friends going along that we were able to tag along with, but we would have been just fine by ourselves.
Number 9, don't be afraid to go to a rally, and don't be afraid to go by yourself.
Yeah,
because you're gonna have a good time.
If you're thinking about signing up, just go ahead and hit the button, sign up.
Okay, I think number 8 is that everybody feels awkward at first. So if you feel awkward, you feel out of place, you're not alone.
Yeah. Even if you're the rally host, there's going to be a little bit of awkward, nervous energy when you first get there. Don't worry about it. Everyone's dealing with the same thing.
Okay, number 7 is going to save your Chevrolets, because you're going to want to take a bike or e-bike or golf
scooter
cart.
or golf cart.
Something, because these rallies can be at places that are pretty spaced out, and you're going to want a way to get around quickly, because if you need to get back to your rig, let your dogs out, or you need to get to another place quickly, jump on your e-bike, jump on your scooter.
Yeah, some transportation, definite must bring.
Okay, number 6, things that we wish we knew before we went to our first rally is that you can be as busy as you choose to be.
Yeah, it is okay to skip that seminar that you have absolutely no interest in.
Yes, you don't have to go to every event, or you can go to every event. If you want to be out there nonstop your whole day, do it. But if you want to come back to your rig and take a nap or have lunch or let your dogs out, you can do that too. Okay, number 5, things that we wish we knew before we went to our very first rally is...
rallies are where friendships are made.
Yes, trust us, you guys. We were so nervous about going to our first rally, but we made some friendships that are going to last a lifetime. You will make friends at a rally. I promise you, there is people there with things that have stuff in common with you.
Yep.
All right, number 4, Sean, the things we wish we knew before we went to our first rally.
It doesn't matter what rig you have.
Absolutely.
You don't have to have the fanciest motorhome or the nicest fifth wheel or the toy hauler of your dreams.
It doesn't matter what your rig looks like, because your neighbor doesn't care.
Yeah.
They just want to make friends with you and talk to you and share stories with you. They don't care if you're in the tiniest bumper pull to the biggest triple axle toy hauler. It doesn't matter. Don't let that stop you from going to a rally. Okay, you guys, the number 3 thing we wish we knew before we went to our very first rally is that seminars are underrated. People think, oh, I don't care about solar, I don't need to go to a seminar. Well, that's not the only thing you get from going to a seminar. You get information, but guess what? You also get to sit at a table with new people. You get to share stories. You might learn a little something, even though you didn't plan on learning something.
Oh yeah, it might change the way you camp.
Absolutely.
Yeah, take advantage of those seminars, even if you don't think they might be interesting. If you have the free time, check something out.
Check out a seminar, and guess what? If you go to it and you're sitting there and you're like, oh, this isn't for me, you can walk out. It's no big deal. Okay, you guys, number 2, thing we wish we knew about rallies before we went.
Trust us on this one.
Community, camper crawls, group activities are the best thing ever.
There is absolutely no substitution for sitting around enjoying each other's company.
Campfires, some cocktails. I'm telling you, just little campfire chats or camper crawls or visiting with other people are the best part about rallies, and I am so glad that we went to our first rally. All right, you guys, number one, here we go. This is the thing that we wish we knew before we went to our first rally, and it is the top thing, I think, and Sean agrees.
Yeah.
You are going to leave that rally knowing more people than when you came. You're going to have more friends after the rally than you started with. I promise you, you're going to go to a rally and you're going to make friends. And when you leave, you're going to keep in touch with these people.
Yep.
Whether it be on Facebook or texting or whatever.
Yep, 100%. We have had meals with different folks at every different meal time.
When you go to a rally, you may show up by yourself and you may feel awkward and you may not know anybody, but I promise you when you leave, you're going to have more friends than when you started. And that is what rallies are all about in our opinion. Okay, y'all, this is our year of rallies. I think we're doing like 9. And I'm so excited because we're having a blast. But we just wanted to share with you that you can go to a rally and you can make friends and you can get information, and it will blow your mind how many people and how many friends you meet.
Oh yeah, and some people, pick and choose your battles. Some of them are a little more expensive than others, and some of them are associated with like where we're at now with our manufacturer or whatever. Go to one that interests you and is going to be around people you want to be with.
If you're worried, just sign up for one and go. And if you go to the rally and you figure out, oh, this isn't for me, then guess what? You don't have to ever go to one again. Well, that's it. We didn't want to leave you hanging this week because we're at the national rally, but we wanted to get a video out, and we thought this is a perfect topic because we wish we knew this information before we went to our first rally.
Absolutely, the best part of our year is this rally season, and it's mostly because we get to hang out with all you guys, doing all the things we love and sharing it with everyone else.
Absolutely, you guys. So thanks for coming along, and next week we're going to bring to you some more stuff from the Texas rally, and we're going to actually get some information out about this Alliance National Rally as well, and some more of our travels. So hit that subscribe button and you can come along with us and share our journey.
So until next time, we'll see you out there.
Take care.
Free to roam. Ooh, oh, can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll in our